kind of scrap did we just find? What is that? It is part of the mailbox. That's not gonna work. That's so weird. That's a get up and go boat right there. Trip 3 275 Mercs on it. Oof, nice. Nice looking scarab. Well, dumpster diving. Light fixture. Dumpster diving. Light bulb we don't need. Florida edition of Dumpster Jerry. It's just trying to break them. 5 lights, not bad. First dumpster pick. Empty tomato cans. We might yank them. And nastiness. Back up till it sounds expensive. Good enough? Yeah, leave that one, leave that one, leave that one. I don't need no more ants. Leave the lids. There's one more underneath that bag. What about that one there? Is that one any good? Is that one clean or is that one loaded? That one's clean here. Do it! Ah, there he goes. Hey, videos, silverware. Here we go. Can you get them in that box? There we go.
I'm ready.
Cool.
Cut that pen.
Goya. Adobo.
That's good stuff.
Yeah, some other goodies. Mostly cord footage. Cord foodie.
Full of concrete.
Oh, concrete. No good. Oh, we just saw a raccoon, but I see steel sticking out of that dumpster. Or aluminum. Find out the moment of truth. Oh, it sticks. It's alright, we'll take it. Any more letters? Can I buy a valve or? Alright. Spin the wheel, Vanna. We got a TV. And dumpster juice. Pretty sharp looking for a 4-door. Nothing but this little piece of wire. Free. Pick up a dryer. Kenmore, my brand. No handle and a little rust. Ceiling grade metal, I'll take that. Panel box, sweet. Be nice. Let's go find out. I think it might have got blown off by the storm. One microwave. Pest toys are all yellowed out. No good. Found some copper and some wire inside that cooler. That's what we picked up Sunday. Second truckload. All aluminum rad. Nice brass putter. It's a little dirty, but it's brass. Some kitchen utensils, small appliances, a microwave. Oh boy, a lot of stuff to break down. A Kenmore dryer, right to the appliance store. A whole bunch of smalls. There's a circuit box. A lot of small kitchen appliance stuff. And a very barking dog. Faucet, brass, nice. Clean that all up. Got an aluminum ladder here. We'll definitely clean that up. 98 cents a pound. No need to cut it to size. They take it any size. Got this Ryobi gas-powered blower. It turns over, so I have to do a little inspections. Then I got a whole bunch of neon sign lettering, all aluminum, old sheet. Won't take much to break them down. Got an aluminum screen door, some sauce cans. I'll take them in. Aluminum rim on a tire. Yeah, it's a lot of tire. I'll just take it to the tire guy and he'll give me $8 for it, and I ain't got to worry about the tire. And we got some shop lights with the ballast, so we'll break them all down. And we also got extruded aluminum. Just pop the screen and the spline out, and it's clean, even though it's got paint on it. I'll still get 98 cents a pound. Got another faucet here. We'll break that down. Alright, it's a pretty nice morning out here. It's a little crisp here this morning in Florida. It was 50 degrees at 5:30 this morning. This soon-to-be daylight savings is kind of rough when you wake up early and you gotta wait for sunlight, and you gotta wait till after 7 o'clock to really make any noise, because gotta be nice to the neighbors, you know. Oh yeah, we also found this steel tracking here from a movie theater. I think it was the curtain call rigging. Nice and heavy. It's steel. Too bad. We thought it was aluminum at first, but it's sticky. Alright, we'll break it all down, take it to the scrapyard, and show you a ticket. For a no-handle rusty door dryer.
Maybe no timer, 20 bucks.
No timer, 20 bucks. That's better than scrapyard prices any day of the week. Plus you're helping out your small local business. That's a big bonus. Okay, what it weigh, what it pay for a couple hours on Saturday and 4 or 5 hours on Sunday, plus riding around having a good time. It's a lot to read. I'll just let the camera sit on here. Anybody can see it. Aluminum turned out to be a nice payday. Real nice payday. Grand total of $188 plus $20 for the dryer and the old sheet neon. We haven't broke them down yet, and the tire, I haven't took that in yet. Alright, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, share me out, and thank you to all the new subscribers. And also I want to give a special thanks to the Dumpster Cats. Thank you very much for your support. I appreciate it dearly. Check out the Dumpster Cats. She does awesome dumpster diving, and she's a great cook too. Really good cook. Great videos on cooking. Alright, thanks. Have a good day. God bless.